Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the word discourse. It might sound formal, but it's actually a really useful word to know. By the end of this video, you'll understand what discourse means and how to use it in different contexts. Let's dive in. So what exactly does discourse mean? Discourse refers to written or spoken communication. It's the exchange of ideas, thoughts, or information between people. The term is often used in academic or formal contexts, but can also be used in everyday conversation. Example: he gave a long discourse about the importance of education. It's a bit like having a conversation or engaging in dialogue, but with a focus on a deeper or more formal exchange of ideas. Let's look at a few more examples to see how discourse is used in different sentences. The political leaders engaged in a heated discourse about the economy. Her dissertation was a comprehensive discourse on the effects of climate change. The teacher encouraged open discourse among students during the debate. As you can see, discourse is often used when talking about more serious or in-depth conversations, especially in academic, political, or intellectual settings. You might be wondering, when should I use the word discourse? You can use discourse when you're referring to a formal or detailed exchange of ideas. It's not a word you would typically use for casual, everyday chats, but it's perfect when you're talking about discussions in more serious or structured settings. For example, you might hear the word discourse in academic articles, lectures, or even news reports about politics, philosophy, or social issues. Example: the professor's discourse on human rights was thought-provoking. Quick recap: discourse means communication or conversation. It refers to formal, detailed, or structured exchanges of ideas or information. You use it in more serious or intellectual settings, like lectures, debates, or academic papers. Now that you know what discourse means, you can start using it in your conversations or writing to sound more formal and sophisticated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more English lessons. Let me know in the comments if you have any other words you want me to explain. See you next time, and keep learning!